Welcome back, crypto and meme coin lovers. We're going to talk about WOJAK. WOJAK is a coin we made a lot of money a couple of months ago, and since then has been dormant. But now, since we are starting a bullish phase, a trading episode, we can take advantage of it. And WOJAK, such a beautiful coin. Look at it. It's above 2,000 in coin market cap, so nobody's looking at this. Is very underfollowed. However, it's number 368 volume wise. This is a big divergence that you need to take into account. Let's dive into the chart and see what we can do with WOJAK. I'm sorry, Pepe. We already made a video. If you want to check out Pepe video, check it. But right now we're going to talk about WOJAK, because you know what? I made more money on WOJAK than I made on Pepe. Even though we made a lot of money on Pepe in a group, we made much more on WOJAK. So let's take a look at the chart of WOJAK and see what's happening. So as you can see, what has happened is that WOJAK created a market cycle phase, right? So if you ever saw that picture of how does the market cycle looks like in asset, it will always be an up move, a down move, a sideways consolidation for long time, and then a rally, a disbelief rally. And this is what's happening right now. This seems like a disbelief rally that we should start taking a note and taking into how we can take advantage of it, right? That's the question, how we can take advantage of it. Now we're looking at the daily chart, of course, and this is the daily, as you can see over here. And in the daily, we're looking, each candle is a daily. We can see it's above the 50-day MA, which is the yellow line, okay, which is something that I like to look as an indicator of if it's bullish or not. All right, so as well, I'm going to add something else, the 8 EMA over here. All right, this is the 8 EMA. We're above it, perfectly fine. Look at it, we are on the move. All right, now since the bottom, we have done since the bottom just a couple of weeks almost 100%, which means there is momentum, there is strength. Now what should we do? Should we just buy it over here? Is this just a buy and hold kind of strategy? No, we never just buy and hold up of thin air, right? It can work, but it's more of a gamble. We're not gamblers, we're traders. What we're looking for is low risk entries. So what you need to look for, right? What you need to look for is a sideways action of a couple of days to a week, maybe 2 weeks consolidation, and then a continuation, a breakout. That is what you will want to see. Now, maybe it will just continue for a couple of days, all right? Maybe it will just continue just like this for a couple of days, and then it will get to, I don't know, last local highs. If we can see in the past, we can see that over here we had a lot of kind of support and resistance area. Maybe we get over here, and then, only then, we start a consolidation sideways for a couple of days, maybe a week, and then boom, once we break out of it, then we buy. I know we buy higher. We buy, let's see how much. We buy 30% higher from now, but we buy at a low risk entry. You don't just buy, you don't just gamble. This is not a roulette. This is trading. This is a business, right? This is a business, right? So what you want to do is you want to focus on looking at WOJAK. You want to follow it. It's on your radar, and you want to search for it doing a consolidation sideways. The lower it gives back, right, the better. The lower it gives back on that retracement, on that consolidation, the better. And once it breaks out, then you want to take the trade, like we made and did many different times in this group, right? Now, before I continue, I just want to make sure that you take profit as well into strength. If you take a trade, wherever it is, right, wherever it is, if it's here, as we said, maybe it will happen here, maybe it will here, it doesn't matter. Remember, you always want to take profits into strength. Don't just hodl on something that can go up and all the way down, just like it did here, by the way. Over here, it started something, and if you bought whenever you made some percentage, and then it gave all back and then some. It gave it all back and then some. This over here is lower, right? This over here is lower than over here. So make sure you take profits into strength. And of course, you can leave runners. You can leave runners. Let's say you made 30, 40, 50% profit on a trade. Leave 10% of your profits. Leave 15% of your profits as a runner, as a long-term hodl. That is a very good strategy, which you can utilize now, right? You can utilize now. Now, if you liked what I'm saying and you want to follow me, you want to get these videos on time to make sure you take trades, click that notification bell, right? Subscribe to the channel, because you want to get this. You don't want to miss. Now is the time. You don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss anything that's happening right now. We are starting a new bullish phase, a new bullish market. You don't want to miss it, okay? And don't just wait for one asset. Don't just wait for WOJAK, for example. Look, if you don't know what to do, if you don't know how to not just wait and to make money while you are focusing, while you have on your radar coins like WOJAK, you don't need to miss out on other trades. You can make money while Here it is. Here it is. In your eyes, you can see trades that we took in the meanwhile. This is so. We took it at $24. Now it's at $33 already in just a couple of days. We took this trade. You can see the date. 19th. What is it? 19th of October. Okay. Another trade we took. A perfectly fine trade. Beautiful trade. This is MC. We took it just a couple of days ago. Again, 17th of October. We doubled on it. We took first trade on the 37, 38 cents. We doubled on 42. It got all the way to 56. Touched most of our take profits, and now it's around the $50. We took profits into strength. We're making money. Another trade, INJ. Look at INJ just a couple of days ago, 3 days ago. This is from the 22nd, all right, 23rd, and above the $10. That's where we entered. We saw this last local high. We were following this for a while. Boom, we are already at 12, 15, so 25% again and counting, right? Look at this. This is a beautiful trade. This is a mega trade. NACA. We started with NACA on the 33 level, and we added along the way. Actually, we added, last time we added was at the 70 cents and 78. It's at 94 right now. And as you can see, just for you to make sure that I'm just not bluffing over here, this is where we started on NACA. Look, 22nd of June, 30 cents and 33 cents. That's where we started our position. We make money. Just click on the link in the description. You will go to our community. Choose. It doesn't matter to me which you choose. Just join now, because it's urgent now you join to make money and position yourself with knowledge and with trades, because these are signals that we make money upon, and knowledge how to take advantage of this. Not just hodl, wait on the sidelines, make money now while you wait for your preferred coins as well, because they're all going to make a move sooner or later. You just don't want to lose time and money while waiting. All right, everybody, like, subscribe, channel, comment, whatever you want to do. This helps you. Remember, you want to make money now and today. Okay, so remember, stay tight, and until next time, no edge, no trade. Cheers.